Hi everyone, welcome to the Foot Scraper channel. For those of you that don't know me already, my name is Dina and I normally do videos of treatments on the foot such as hard skin removals, corn removals, ingrown toenails and all that really fun stuff that I love doing. You might enjoy watching too, but today we're going to do something a little different. So in this section we are going to be actually reviewing some shoes. Now today's shoes, let's get straight into it. Is by a brand called Calla, which you can see on the box. Hopefully the light isn't taking too much of that. There you go. You can see it now. So this brand came to my attention because they developed shoes that are supposed to be super comfortable for people who have bunions or slightly wider fitting feet, because a lot of women complain about how do we find shoes that are going to be comfortable, they're going to be wide enough in the front, good material, and make you feel comfortable. So these ones here, I'm going to show you. So we have a heeled version in this one, and we've got a flat one on here. So I'm going to start off with the flat one, and then we're going to work our way to the nice big one. So within these ones here comes a nice little packaging, quite a little cute, quite lightweight too, not too heavy. So these are called Charlotte Black Suede. I don't know if you can see it over there. I'm wearing a size 38.5, but that also varies upon where you go, what size you're going to be. So normally I would take a size 6, but here I'm a 5.5 UK, but in the European 38.5. So if you're going to be ordering from different places, just check your sizes and then you'll be able to do that one there. So time to open them. Oh, this is quite cute. So it comes with a little envelope. Ah, I love this. So there's a little care guide over here. And it tells you, you know, a little bit more about if you do have bunions, if they hurt, and they're just being really cute, very sweet actually, and how it should feel and how flexible the shoes are. They're trying to let you know, like, I hope you really enjoy them. And on the back side of here, it actually tells you how to care for your shoes, which is great because sometimes I'm really fussy about how to kind of look after the shoes and what can I use, and I don't want to damage them, especially if it's Suede and it's raining or something like that. So this is going to be great. So let's pop this onto the side and get to the good stuff. I love it. Every good shoe brand should come with a shoe bag. Nice and detailed. It's kind of a linen material. Let's see how the strings feel. Oh, quite easy to use. Not tough at all. Like some of the places when you go to open them, you're like, but this is good so far. Now for the really fun stuff. Is that Christmas come early, huh? Okay, so we have these shoes here. So Suede's quite nice, soft leathers. You can feel that one there, which is quite nice. I don't know if you can see on the inside, but it's got like a padded sole, so it's really quite soft. And we'll see if I can get closer to you guys so you can see. Can you see underneath there? We've got like a little padded bits right to the top. A little bit of an arch padding over here for your arch support, which is great. There's a bit of a heel on this side, but as you can see from the shoe, you can't really tell because the part that's exposed is the heel. It's very small, it's like a rubber base, and then you've got maybe about that much of heel underneath. I don't know if you can see that one there, but just about that much there. Now the width in the front is amazing to see because, I don't know about you, but when you've had a look on the shop floors and different retailers, they're usually quite narrow and you kind of feel like your feet are being compressed. And then I see a lot of patients coming to me because they've got corns or they're developing hard skin or blisters or something like that. So I can really see how they've tried to design the shoe by creating the width and creating the height at the top. Now, I have had the pleasure of trying these on, of course, because I would not do a review for you guys unless I tried it on. I felt they were super comfy, which was great. They fit my foot perfectly all the way through. I didn't feel that sort of rubbing sort of bit at the back that some people experience and they end up getting blisters or chafing their foot in certain styles. So that was very, very good. However, my only concern with these is because I have a slightly what we call hyperextended toe. So I don't know if you can actually see what I'm trying to do here. But that means my toe isn't kind of flat like this. It's slightly tilted like that. Some people have it, some people don't. Which means I just need a little bit more space at the top of my shoe compared to most people. So I found that just a little bit tight at the top. But for other people who wouldn't have that, literally this would be the dream 9-to-5 shoe. So much space, really quite flexible, which is great, but still maintains its shape. Overall, I'm quite impressed. Now, if you'd like to get a pair of these, they do come in lots of different colors, suede and leather based. More of the details are down in the description box, and we actually have a discount code. So if you guys do want it, then obviously my viewers should get a nice little something in return. So if you type in DGFeet20 into the little discount code, you should get 20% off on these ones here, which is a great little find, and they'll be great for work. And I really hope you guys are more comfortable, because it's so hard to find good ballet shoes, and these ones just might do the trick. Now, should we go into the other ones? Okay, let's put these back. This is always important to look after them in a nice way. I don't know about you, but I'm super anal about putting my shoes back into the box after I've got them, no matter how old they are. I don't know. I'm obsessed with shoes, but it goes with the territory, so. Makes sense. Let's put these away on the side. Right. Yeah, fits perfectly. There we go. Now, the next ones here. So these are a heeled collection. These are called Sophia in the black leather, also in a 38.5 European size, so you can see that over there. Now, again, that translates to a 5.5 UK. If you do want to get yourself a pair of shoes from this brand, again, please do remember to check the chart size and find what works for you. They are an online company, but they have been fantastic, because if something didn't fit me, they've been able to just change it up for me there and then. No hassle, no fuss, very quick on the emails. They are absolutely amazing so far. So, same principle as the other shoes. Comes with a little bag. Let's check this one as well. Ooh. Love how it works so well. Again, so this is great, and this opens up quite nicely, but it's not too loose, so your shoes are not going to fall out if you're traveling or anything like that. Amazing. So it comes with the same care sort of advice. Perfect. Yeah, same as the last one here, which is great. Care guide on this one, how to care for your shoes and caring for you and what to do for them. So again, great little tips. Now, these ones here, I have been trying around for a while, because I just really wanted to see, because they're heeled, to wear them for longer than say 5-10 minutes, because realistically, ladies, we are not going to be wearing our shoes for 5 minutes and then that's the end of the day. We are going to be in them for hours on end, office, after work, breakfast maybe, running the kids to school, or even just in our own house. Like, I'm guilty for walking around in my shoes while I'm doing my makeup, brushing my hair last minute, getting something from the kitchen, or having a glass of water. So we all do it, so it's not as simple as when you leave the house to when you get home. So therefore, I have been taking out the packaging, but the packaging is still pretty much as similar as you saw in the other ones there. So this is what these ones look like here. I'm just going to put it here so you can just get an idea of the front of it. So you can see, for a shoe that's supposed to be designed for someone that has bunions and quite wide feet, they don't look hideous, which is quite refreshing, because most of my clients will come in and they'll be like, oh, I don't know whether the shoes are too wide fitting because they look hideous. These are quite cute. Like, can't really tell that you have much space, but there is quite a lot of depth in them. If I just do that one underneath there, can you see how much space is in there? They're quite cool. So they've got a nice little platform as well at the bottom. Which also helps because it distributes the pressure quite well, so you don't get the high impact as you're walking. Now the heel, I would say roughly, I'm guessing here, around maybe 3 inches here, I'm thinking. Don't quote me on that, I haven't measured them, but I'm assuming, but you'll get more details on the website should you want to. They have a little bow detail at the back. I'm not sure if you can see that very well in the camera, so I'm going to bring it a little closer to you, if you can see that one there. Yeah. So that's quite different. I'm not sure how I feel about the bow personally, because it's not really my style, but they're still quite sweet. The heel's got a nice solid bit, and similar to the flats on the inside, you can see it's got the cushioning going all the way through. So as I was walking around in these, I did find they were super comfy, which I'm quite happy about. The leather is quite nice. They don't look too chunky, and with a regular pair of, I don't know, whatever you're wearing for the day, whether it's an office, whether it's just like a simple nice dress, if you're going out, going for dinner, these are great. And for people who are in the industry whereby they are standing all day, whether it's retail, whether it's hotels, whether it could be anything that you need to wear a smart shoe, I think these would be a little bit better than what's on the market at the moment. So again, I really would suggest checking these out and seeing how you fare with them, and hopefully you'll find the comfort that I would like my patients to have on a regular basis. So again, all the details are down in the description box. So again, they're by Calla shoes, and if you did want to get a pair of these, I believe these come in different colors too. I think they come in a suede option as well as a leatherette. Check them out. Let me know what you think. Feel free to leave comments underneath if you've actually experienced this brand yourself, or if you're looking to do so and you just have some questions about them. I'll be more than happy to answer them when I get a chance to. Don't forget, there's a code at the bottom where you will be able to get 20% off, which is great. So if you're just trying them out and you want to see how they do, and hopefully in the future, if these do become your favorites, you found a shoe that's going to work for you for a long time. So enjoy them. Hope you enjoyed the review, and don't forget to subscribe and make sure you like the channel, and I'll be doing more reviews for you shortly.